Good morning.
Good morning.
What are you prepping for?
We're going on a little trip.
Yep, so if you didn't see the previous video, this is the beginning of our trip to take our son's Can-Am X3 to Tennessee for him. And we're going to share how that trip goes along the way. And we're going to do another little side trip coming back. Well, it's not really little, but here we are. Truck's all ready, getting all packed up. All kinds of suitcases. We got our blow-up bed and blankets, refrigerator. We'll deal to watch movies on the way. So we'll catch you at the next stop. What are we doing?
We are stopping. I forgot my sunglasses, so I have to go buy some. And potty break.
Potty break.
Always potty break.
Do you guys know where we are? We'll give you a guess. Boom. All right. Shopping. What a deal.
3X, you think it might fit?
Be a night shirt.
I was going to say, I don't think I brought pajamas, so.
Now, what kind of people would go into a truck stop to wear 3X? That hardly ever happens.
You're terrible.
Okay, Donna. Why are we getting off the freeway?
I think we're doing the musical road.
The musical road. This will be fun. Hopefully we can pick it up. You guys are hear this. Just noticed we kind of had a weird view right here. All right, let's see how the musical road goes. Okay, coming up on the musical road. Always makes her giggle.
So we found another musical road. I believe we're in Palmdale. We're going to check it out.
Alright, almost there. That was a good one.
That was pretty cool. That was pretty cool.
Alright. So we're going through airplane area for NASA, Air Force, all that kind of good stuff. That's the 747 carried the space shuttle. Okay, I'm a little torn right now.
Oh, about what?
Well, we're in the truck, and we've got a side-by-side with sand tires on it,
Oh, yes.
and we're eastbound on 10. We're coming up. I feel like I'm in the wrong lane. It hurts. It hurts. It wants to go to Glamis. It's ready to go. There's our churn.
No. Another day.
Well, there's a truck pulling that way. All right. We'll be back. Maybe one more trip this year. We got some upgrades going to the Maverick, so got to try them out. Ready?
I'm ready.
Ready to go back. Come back, there it is. Good second.
Yep.
All right. We made it to Phoenix.
Yeah.
So we got our fancy
stop.
room. Actually, we're in Goodyear, Arizona. End of day one. Got some business to take care of in Phoenix the next day or so. May go see the guys over at MTS, say hi to them, and then we're gonna head on from there. Make our way through the next few states. Check in with you guys in the next day or two.
Having a great time so far.
Yep.
So
What do we want people to do?
subscribe, like, and share.
And comment.
Comment.
All right. Bye.